Hey everybody, this is Steven with Cannin.com and we're back for another technical analysis. This week we're going to jump right in to Kush Holdings, the manufacturer of packaging and bottling supporting the cannabis industry. Let's jump over to the pricing chart now. You'll see we're looking at the ticker KSHB. This is their OTC ticker in the QuickBooks, and we'll just scroll out back into 2019. You can see they were up around $5-6. They had a really rough end of the year from September all the way down to about $1.50, and then once February of this year happened, we all know what happened since then, and it's been cruising at about 60 cents. You'll see the bands that we're looking at. These are Bollinger bands, so mean and then standard deviations up and down, two of them. You can kind of see the bigger the band, the more the volatility. The tighter the band, the less volatility. This is called a neck. Typically, we see a breakout of a neck. Oftentimes, as I zoom in, that happens when we get a cross of the mean or some price movements outside of the standard deviation zones. So like here and here, we see we really opened up the volatility. We're also looking at the CCI, the Commodity Channel Index, and the Relative Strength Index, the RSI. We've seen those many times. And what we're looking for there are periods above positive 100 or below minus 100 on the CCI. And 30 and 70 is the range. The upper boundaries, upper is 70, lower is 30. So we're going to look at periods when it breaks out below. And you can see both the CCI and the RSI had some significant time below both of their periods from the end of February until not too far ago, about a month into the 20th of March. And what does that reflect? It reflects this big price drop. So you can kind of see the power of these regions. Now, both of these regions, we dipped below 30 here on February 21st and about February 26th in the CCI. You can see we were well into the price dip. So they take a little while. They're lagging indicators, not leading indicators. But let's just zoom into what's recently happened just this week. No real fundamental news from Kush. Their restructuring announcement came out a couple months ago. And you can see what's happened from 64. We were in this neck in the Bollinger Bands, and we just broke out up above the standard deviation on the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands, well above on the CCI. This is pretty high. I think the value right now is 295. Anything above 100 is a strong trend. So you can see that really this is a powerful move according to the CCI. We popped over on the 18th of May, and this is the daily chart, so 6 days ago. Look at the RSI. Much later it takes to pop over 70, the 22nd of May. So just 2 candles ago did we actually cross over, and the RSI confirmed the strength of this pop that the CCI told us was going to happen back on the 18th of May. So you can kind of see how the different indicators give you different timing of the same reading, although timing is everything in getting in and out of the stock market. So everything says power up, power up, power up on KushCo. This is likely going to ride up a little bit longer, and then we'll see our CCI peak and come back down before it breaks out of 100. I would expect everyone to get out of this trade. So thanks for paying attention. Let us know if you have any questions. Let us know if you have any comments on new companies you want us to analyze. And thanks for learning, and thanks for trading with Cannin.